Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down gadgets and gear so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into a powerful little accessory that could significantly improve your TV viewing experience. Especially if you're struggling with weak signals and pixelated channels. This is the WHE28 TV Antenna Amplifier, a compact, indoor signal booster that claims to deliver up to 25 decibels of high-gain amplification. Let's find out if this plug-and-play device really makes a difference. What exactly is this gadget? The WHE28 is an indoor antenna signal booster designed to work with virtually any TV antenna. Whether you're in an urban apartment or an RV out in the wilderness, this booster promises to enhance your reception and clean up those fuzzy or pixelated channels that just won't lock in properly. Unboxing it, you're greeted with a sleek, simple device. A small inline amplifier with a power input and adjustable gain dial. There's no software, no syncing, no app. Just a physical tuner you can turn to increase or decrease the gain between 5 and 25 decibels. It connects directly between your antenna and your TV or set-top box. Setup is straightforward. Just plug the antenna cable into the input, connect the output to your TV, plug in the USB power, and you're good to go. But here's where it gets interesting. The WHE28 includes a built-in 4G and 5G LTE filter, and that's a big deal. These days, our homes are flooded with mobile signals, and if you're anywhere near a cell tower, those signals can interfere with your TV reception. This filter helps block those unwanted wireless signals, so your antenna can focus on what really matters, capturing clean, stable channels. Now, let's talk performance. The amplifier features an adjustable dB tuner. This means you're not just stuck with a static gain boost. You can rotate the dial and find the sweet spot depending on your location. Too much gain can actually cause interference if you're close to a broadcast tower. So this feature gives you better control and helps fine-tune the performance for your specific area. According to the manufacturer, this amplifier is most useful when you're located far from the broadcast towers, and they give good advice. If your TV is already receiving lots of green channel signals, you likely don't need a booster. But if your signal map shows mostly yellow or orange channels, that's where this device comes in handy. The amplifier is especially suited for scenarios like RV camping, boats, and outdoor setups where signal strength can be unpredictable. The included HDTV cable is 35 feet long, giving you plenty of reach to place your antenna in an optimal location. Whether indoors or on the roof of your vehicle. One more thing to note. If your antenna already has a built-in amplifier, you probably don't need this device, and stacking amplifiers can actually degrade performance. But if your antenna is passive or you're still having reception issues, this can be a game changer. In our hands-on experience, we saw noticeable improvement in channel stability and clarity, especially on fringe stations that used to come in pixelated or not at all. The gain dial gave us flexibility to experiment and find the best setting without overloading the signal. And once dialed in, the viewing experience was noticeably smoother. If you're someone who's already cut the cord and relies entirely on over-the-air TV, or if you take your TV on the go in an RV or boat, the WHE28 amplifier is a worthy companion. It's simple, effective, and inexpensive, usually priced around $17 to $18 online. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your reception strong and your screens clear.